بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. All praise is due to Allah, the Master of the whole universe, and I bear witness that there is no God worthy of our worship except Allah. I bear witness to Allah. MashaAllah, what a beautiful and special day, and may Allah accept from all of us, Allahumma ameen. May Allah grant us Laylatul Qadr, say ameen. And may Allah make it easy for us to have the khatm of the Quran, say ameen. Ameen, Ya Rabbil Alameen. My brothers and sisters, actually we came to the night that needs us to stand up at night for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to pray. And no wonder when we talk about Laylatul Qadr, those who are seekers of Laylatul Qadr, it is better in the worship of Allah than 1,000 months. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made it clear in the Quran that He sent down the Quran on that night, and Allah will send Jibreel alayhi salam. Let me tell you the good news. It is the only night in the entire year that Jibreel alayhi salam will descend, will come down to the earth. He will come down along with all the angels, and Allah said, تَنَزَّلُ الْمَلَائِكَةُ وَالْرُوحُ فِيهَا. The angels will start coming down from the sky until they fill the horizon. They block the horizon. They fill the space between the earth and the heaven. And what the angels are doing, they are searching for us. They are seeing who are there to worship Allah, and they are writing down our names, and they are proudly will give those names to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah will forgive their sins. That is actually the ultimate goal, to have Laylatul Qadr, for having our sins to be forgiven, inshallah. So may Allah forgive our sins. Ameen, Ya Rabbil Alameen. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our siyam and accept our qiyam. Allahumma ameen, Ya Rabbil Alameen. What a special day also, because it's sponsored by the family of Dr. Zaki. And actually, Dr. Zaki, one of the pillars of this community, long time ago, they came. Yes. I know. I said the family of Dr. Zaki. That means we have our Sister Rana Zaki, the daughter of Dr. Zaki, and Sister Hadid. May Allah bless all of them, Allahumma ameen. And let me tell you something, with the tremendous support that Sister Rana and Sister Hadid are giving to this community, it shows many years ago, year after year, how much do they love this community. They have that kind of dedication and commitment to check on our masjid. And I remember, somebody told me the old story. I remember that they used to carry the bricks, the tiles, while they are building this masjid. Our sisters, Sister Hadid, along with Sister Habiba, along with Mam Afsari, all of them, they used to come hand in hand, actually to build this masjid, to have this community. May Allah bless all of them, Allahumma ameen. And Allah said in the Quran, وَلَا تَنْسَوْا الْفَضْلَ بَيْنَكُمْ. And do not forget the favors amongst each other. Means being grateful, being appreciative to what before us have done and what our leaders for this community have done. And it is our responsibility to continue the good work they have done. Can you please help me by having a round of applause for appreciation for Sister Rana and Sister Hadid. May Allah bless all of you and put that in your records. Allahumma ameen, Ya Rabbil Alameen. My brothers and sisters, before we move to the dua, inshallah, just let me welcome one of the brothers. He is the first time to come to our community, and actually he traveled and he came, mashallah, from China, brother Abdul Rahman and brother Sameh, and of course he's in the company of brother Sameh. So we wanted to welcome brother Abdul Rahman coming to visit us, and he's coming from China, and give him a round of applause. Thank you for coming. Thank you for sharing the time with our community. May Allah bless all of you. Allahumma ameen ya rabbal alameen. So who is ready for the dua for tonight? If you're ready for the dua, you know, Sister Ruby raised the hand. I will make a special dua waiting for Sister Ruby. Sister Ruby, may Allah bless you and grant you Laylatul Qadr. Ameen ya Rabb. By the way, two things. Tonight, after Salat al-Tarawih, we have the exam for the ijazah. And my advice, do not run away from the exam. Inshallah, it is easy. Inshallah, you will be able to make it. So, after Salat al-Tarawih, we will have the exam, inshallah. We are about to have the khatma of the Quran. Actually, we are ahead with the recitation of the Quran. We will do the khatma of the Quran tomorrow, inshallah. Please come early to the hall. 1.5 hours before the iftar. 1.5 hours before the iftar, we will have a wording program, inshallah. We will encourage our kids, our family members. We will encourage those who memorize the Quran. We have the Quran competition, the Islamic knowledge competition. We will award those who got the ijazah, whether al-aqidah or even the hadith. So please come to have this day meaningful, inshallah. And if you are going to come tomorrow, have in your mind that we are going to stay all the night. We will stay here all the night. We will have Brother Faisal. Brother Faisal. He's keep talking with brother. Okay, are you ready for Suhoor?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me roughly. Are you ready with 300 people?
Inshallah, yes.
Allahu Akbar, mashallah, takbir. Is that his takbir of Muslimin? Takbir. Mashallah. So we are ready with Suhoor for 300 people, inshallah.
100%.
Huh? Mashallah, Allahu Akbar. So, inshallah, we are expecting you to come tomorrow night, and of course every night, but tomorrow, that for Laylatul Qadr, inshallah, we will stay here from about 6 p.m. till 7:30 by the sunrise the next day. You got it? That's our program. We will have a full program for Q&A session, for Quran, for Tahajjud, for Khatma of the Quran. اللهم لك الحمد يا ربنا كما تحب وكما ترضى. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد في الأولين، وصل عليه يا ربنا في الآخرين، وصل عليه يا ربنا في الملأ الأعلى إلى يوم الدين.
حي على الفلاح